Hi. I just was in my sauna and ice bath, so I'm a bit shivery still, although it's a beautiful day. But tomorrow I'm going to Brazil for 3 weeks, super nice courses, retreat, instructor retreat. But that's not what I want to talk about today. I want to talk about airplane breathing. So tomorrow I have a long flight, and what do you do? What can you do breath-wise when it comes to sitting in an airplane? Well, what I do is climbing the mountain. So I start with TT5, then TT10, TT20, then TT30, and then as much as I want. If I want to do 5, 6 rounds of TT30, it's okay, and then I climb the mountain back down, TT20, TT10, TT50. Now, one thing I'm sure you've noticed is that the air in the airplane is not clean. Other than that, I don't want to disturb other people. So if I'm breathing like that, like moving a lot, other people will, that's my washing machine. People will think that I'm getting a heart attack or something, or I'm panicking. So I'm going to stick to nose in and nose out. And then breathe as if you're not moving. So prepare yourself, we're going to start in 10 seconds. TT5 is 5 deep breath, nose in, nose out today. And then last breath is fully out, and then we take a breath in and we hold for 10 seconds. And then we're going to do some more runs. Okay, here we go. Through the nose. Deeper. Hold out. In and hold for about 10 seconds. Breathe out. Let's go for 10, TT10. Last one. Hold out. Breathe out. Nose or mouth. Let's go for TT20. bit deeper. Hold. Breathe out. Let's go for 30. Keep on breathing in this space. So if you feel like switching to mouth out, of course that is okay. You know, I'm naturally doing that, so feel free to do that. Let's do another 20 breaths. Another 10. Breathe out more, another 4. Deep in, all out. In and hold. Breathe out. Now, pause this video and do as many rounds of TT30, nose in, nose out, as you want. I'm gonna climb the mountain down now, so going back to TT20, TT10, TT5. Here we go, 20 deep breaths. Another 10. Extra deep. Hold out. Last one. Hold out. In and hold. Now breathe out and hold your breath after breathing out 50 to 80%. So just let go. Hold. Maybe another 20 seconds. Let's breathe the rest out and hold for another 10. Completely empty. And breathe in and hold for 10 seconds. And breathe out. Let's go for TT10. In deeper, breathe out more, another 3. Hold out. In and hold. And breathe out 50 to 80% and hold. And breathe out the rest and let's hold for 10 more seconds. We're not doing extreme long breath holds because in a plane you cannot hold your breath so long. So out, hold. 10, 9. In deep and hold. Breathe out. Last round, 5 deep breath, back to TT5, calm. last one, a bit deeper. Out everything. In and hold. And now breathe out and hold after breathing out. And hold as long as feels comfortable. Breathe out the rest, go totally empty. In deep hold. Now, take a moment to integrate this. In fact, I want to keep this video a little bit short, but pause this video and sit as long as you can, just feeling sensations, feeling your body, watching your breath be really slow. Right, thanks for watching. Have a good flight. Bye. And if you want to know more about breathwork, I think the best is to go to my website. I will put the info card to my website. I think the best way to start out is my 8-week level 1 instructor program. If you want to learn everything about breathwork, not only my own techniques, but also other techniques. Not only me teaching, also other people. So see you over there. You can find my website, send me a WhatsApp message. Don't call, but you can send me a message if you have a question. Wish you a great flight, and you can do this at home. A great day. See you on the other side. See you when I land. See you the next week.